In a significant development, one of the Singapore-based NRIs, Roop Kamal Kalita, who was among the 11 Singapore-based NRIs whom the CID's SIT had served summon through the Indian High Commission, had finally joined the investigation this afternoon. He is recording his statement and he will be questioned now. Remember, first 8 NRIs who were part of the yacht party were served summon, and then 3 more people were served summon. In total 11 of them now they have been served summon because they are key witness to that yacht party, and subsequently Zubin Garg plunging into water to swim and subsequently dying. Exactly what had happened is something that they have seen, so they will be quizzed and their statements will be matched with the 3 arrested people, particularly the manager Siddharth Sharma, the bandmate of Zubin Garg Shekhar Jyoti Goswami, and the female singer Amrit Prabha Mahanta, and also the statements of the main program organizer of the Northeast India Festival, Shyam Kanu Mahanta. What is important note here is that apart from this investigation, SIT has also quizzed several people who have worked closely with Zubin Garg. That also includes his personal security officers, 2 of them in fact to be precise, and during that questioning they have also found that there were transaction around 1 crore rupees through the bank accounts of this personal security officers. Now Zubin Garg, remember, in several interviews have claimed that he does not have a UPI account and he usually transacts through the personal security officers. They also take care of the money that he gives as financial assistance to poor people who often come to him, because Zubin Garg is known for his philanthropic activities, but Zubin Garg was known for that philanthropic activities. But what is important to note here that SIT is also verifying whether those transactions were for philanthropic activities of Zubin Garg or for any other purpose. So therefore many angles are being looked at and several other people will be quizzed. But the fact that one of the 11 NRIs have joined the investigation is going to take this investigation further, even at a time when there is a political war of words over this investigation between the ruling BJP and the main opposition Congress, and therefore now all eyes would be on this investigation.